What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's Mahlon Tane. And today we'll be doing something very interesting to some of y'all. We'll be using this OMT universal U-joint puller or remover. So remember, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, always be safe and patient. And let's go. Alright, everybody, so here it is. This is the issue here. We've already removed the drive shaft on this vehicle, but this U-joint is very stubborn. Beat on it, and didn't want to come out. So we went and picked up this OMT tool from Pops, and let's see how this OMT U-joint puller or remover works. Now, we have used the OMT brand before. If you haven't seen that video, it's a timing belt for the Chrysler. When we removed the harmonic balance off of it, that was a OMT tool. So here it is, y'all. Let me go ahead and slap this on right quick. Pretty easy. The way it is, it's pretty self-explanatory, as you can see. And so we'll just slide this on there like so. And y'all notice I don't have enough room or space up top over here, so we're gonna have to, y'all already know it, we're gonna have to improvise, y'all. This is going straight to the drive shaft, so I'm gonna have to tilt it over like that, and I'm gonna have Turkey or Big Boy go on the other side over here and hook the impact to it. Alright, stand by. Alright, y'all, let me kind of straighten it out. Alright, Turkey, hook on in. Come on in a little bit so that the people can see what Turkey is at. Go ahead. What size is that socket, Turkey?
A 19 millimeter each socket.
Come on, get it in there right, baby. Alright, go slow. Pull it in slow.
It's not in all the way.
Pull it in slow. Hold on. You don't want to put your fingers like this, because you know, if you ain't trying to keep your fingers, then you know that's where you would want it. But I'm trying to keep my beautiful fingers as long as I can. Go slow. Hold on. Go ahead. Hold on. Let me get my butt out the way. Go ahead, Turkey.
Oh, hold on. I forgot.
Don't worry about that part. Just keep going. Alright, I think he could get a little bit more, but we're gonna let it be. Go ahead and reverse it slowly. You reversing it?
Yes, sir.
Let me get it with two hands right quick. Go ahead. Oh. Here, go work with it out there. Alright, y'all. Whew. That was a little bit. Let's just see if we can knock it on down. Hold on, let me get something right quick. Alright, y'all. I spray a little oil on it to hopefully give it a little slip. Is it moving, big boy?
Yeah, that's pressure.
Let me get a paper towel real quick. I got one. Just a little bit more, y'all. That might have done something. There we go. Alrighty. Now we'll just spin it on around the other direction, like so. And we'll push this out. Alright, we'll just set it back up on there. Hold on. Gotta slide this in a little bit. Alright, let's try it right there. Come on, turkey. Hold on. Alright, go ahead. Hold on. Alright, go ahead.
She's on.
Hold on. Alright, go ahead. Hold on. Alright, you can try it. Alright, let me see something here. We're gonna back it up a little bit, turkey. Back it up. Back it up a little bit more. Ho. I got it. Let me see something here. Can you get that off of here? Like, yeah, let me see something. Let me see if I can bang on it. Moving, big boy.
Not sure.
I think he moved a little bit.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, that thing just as stubborn as could be, man. It's stubborn than an ox. Or is it a donkey? Probably a donkey. Alright, we got the OMT back on there. Let's see what happens, y'all. Let's go. All right, release it slowly. Yeah, take it with you. All right, y'all, looks like I'm gonna have to put it in work a little bit more. Big deal. And it's Saturday. You know, I had somebody over there hating. It ain't out of there. It's out of there, buddy. Believe it or not. Boom. There we go. Now, we got one more to do. Okay, there it is. We got the U-joint out. Took a little bit more persuasion than I expected. OMT, I think y'all can give it a longer threaded rod, maybe a little longer arm to give it that, you know, extra leverage, but you know, it'll just help other people to keep from banging on it. Anyway, yeah, we got one more to do, like I said, but we ain't gonna record that. We just want to do this one to y'all, show y'all how this OMT tool performed. It did all right. Still gonna have to grab that old dirty heavy hammer though. Oh, we was using a 3-pound hammer, by the way. So anyway, with all that being said, remember,
You can fix it too.
peace.